Start 1. 1977 Chevrolet El Camino, $750, Douglasville, Georgia. This 1977 Chevrolet El Camino is available for $750. It features a 350 engine with an automatic transmission. The car has damage to the right-hand door and rear quarter panel but retains good running gear and a solid front clip. A great budget-friendly project for an El Camino enthusiast. Two, 1977 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed, 2900 Baytown, Texas. A 1977 Chevy C10 long wheelbase pickup priced at $2,900. It runs and drives well but needs a new battery. The title is in hand and the seller recommends replacing the tires. A solid work truck or restoration candidate for a classic Chevy fan. 3. 1969 Buick Electra 225, 2500 Magnolia, Texas. Originally listed as a Buick LeSabre, this is actually a 1969 Buick Electra 225. Priced at $2,500, this project car runs and drives. The title is clean and the seller is open to reasonable offers. A true classic with a solid foundation for restoration. 4. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Coupe, $2,800, Atmore, Alabama. This 1965 Chevy Corvair is a two-door project car priced at $2,800. It has an air-cooled six-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual transmission. The car features a Sierra tan exterior with black seats and a well-preserved patina. Recent updates include new brake lines, a master cylinder, and Corvette rally wheels with good tires. A cool, vintage ride for an enthusiast. 5. 1970 Ford F100 Short Bed, $2,800, Kingston, Georgia. This 1970 Ford F100 is a short bed pickup featuring a 302 V8 engine and a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. It's not currently running but has been started before. The truck has some rust but remains a solid project. Includes a rebuild kit for the carburetor, 2 sets of wheels and tires, and a '67 Ford grille. Priced at $2,800 best offer. 6. 1976 Ford F-150 4x4, $1,650. And a 1976 Ford F-150 4x4 project truck priced at $1,650 firm. This heavy-duty truck has been sitting under a walnut tree for 20 years and needs significant restoration. It features a big block engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Comes with a clean title and keys. The seller is also open to trades for a square-body Chevy short bed. 7. 1976 Plymouth Volare Coupe, $1,850, Zephyr Hills. This 1976 Plymouth Volare is a rolling chassis priced at $1,850. It was originally a 6-cylinder car, but comes with Schumacher motor mounts for a small block swap. The interior is mostly intact except for the front seat and missing carpet. The seller has already fabricated new rear floor pans, though minor metal work is still needed. Includes extra parts and a transmission. Eight, 1967 Chevrolet G30 van, $1,200, Whitwell, Tennessee. A heavy-duty 1967 Chevrolet G30 van priced at $1,200. It has 80,000 miles and a manual transmission. The truck runs and drives well with new rear tires and good front tires. The seller mentions that it may need a new radiator, a solid workhorse, or potential camper conversion project. Nine, 1965 Ford Futura, $1,500, Pinellas Park. This 1965 Ford Futura is available for $1,500. It features a 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and has 51,514 miles on the odometer. The engine was running well when parked 2 years ago. The driveline is complete and a brand new gas tank is included. Clean title in hand, ready for a new owner to bring it back to life. $10, 1972 Chevrolet Impala, $2,000, Gainesville, Florida. A 1972 Chevrolet Impala project car priced at $2,000. It has no engine or transmission and needs a new drivetrain. The seller provides limited details and recommends calling for more information. Ushk 11, 1969 Chevrolet Malibu Coupe, 3008 Comanche, Iowa. Nicknamed Miss Alabama, this 1969 Chevrolet Malibu project is listed for $3,800. It originally came with factory air conditioning, power steering, and power disc brakes. The car needs interior work and floor repairs, but comes with a clear title. The seller also offers a complete 454 engine and turbo 400 transmission for an additional $1,500. Open to trade offers for a newer Corvette or Camaro.